Jai Hind student, I am Shashi Kumar Seth. Today I am going to start operations on algebraic expression part 1 of class 8. Look at here student, add the following questions. Add the following questions. First question 8a, 5ab, 3ab, minus AB. Student, look at here. Here two varieties. First constant and second is a variable. Constant just like a number and variable just like a alphabet. A, B, C, X, Y, Z, P, Q, R. These are called variables. Clear students? Operations mean just like apply the plus, minus, division, multiplication. Clear? Fundamental operation you will put here. Clear? And this question is telling that add. Clear? Remove comma and put here plus. Clear student? Remove all commas and put here plus symbol. Look at first is the 8ab plus 5ab plus 3ab plus in bracket a minus b. Clear students? And here minus, that's why you will put here minus. Next term 8ab plus 5ab plus 3ab and here plus minus is a minus ab. Clear बच्चों? Add 8, 3, 5. Clear? 8 plus 5 13, 30 plus 3 16. You will write it 16ab and here minus ab. Student, you can see here there is no constant, that's why you will consider here 1. Clear? 16 subtracted from 1 we get 15 AB. This is our answer. Clear students? And question number second, this is the first term, this is second term and this is the third term. Clear students? So firstly remove the all commas. 3a minus 4b plus 4c plus 2a plus 3b minus 8c plus a minus 6b plus c. Clear? And find the like term. Like term just like a like term, b like term, c like term. Clear students? Here a and j. Clear? 3a, 2a, 5a and here 1, 6a. We will write here 6a. Clear student? 6a. In another term you can write in this way. 3a plus 2a plus a and here plus in another bracket we will write here minus 4b and here plus 3b and here minus 6b and plus 4c and here minus 8c plus c. Clear students? And next step is a 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6a and here plus. Student, you can see here minus always plus 4 minus 4 minus 6 minus 10 subtracted from 3 we get 7, but 10 is a greater number, that's why you will put minus 7. Clear student? Minus 7b. Clear? And here 4 plus 1 5 and 8 subtracted from 5 we get 3 and you will write here 3 and 8 here greater number, you will put here minus. Clear student? This is our answer. Student, see question number 3rd. Look at here. Firstly, this is the first part, this is second part and this is the third and this is the fourth. Clear student? You will remove all commas 2x cube minus 9x square plus 8. Clear? And remove comma plus 3x square minus 6x minus 5 plus 7x cube minus 10x plus 1 plus 3 plus 2x minus 5x square minus 4x cube. And find the all cubes number. 2x cube here, and after that here 7x cube, and here minus 4x cube. Square term minus 9x square, and here plus 3x square, and minus 5x square, plus find the x term minus 6x minus 10x plus 2x, constant term plus 8 minus 5 1 plus 3. क्लियर बच्चों? 2 plus 7 9, 9 separated from 4 we get 5x cube, and here minus minus plus 9 plus 5 14, just like 14 separated from 3 we get 11 minus 11x square, and here minus 6 minus 10 minus 16, 16 separated from 2 we get 14 x, and here 8 plus 1 9, 9 3 12, 12 separated from 5 we get 7 plus 7. This is our answer. Clear students? Now I am going to start next questions. Students, see question number 4. Subtract. Here 3a square b from minus 5a square b. This one here from, that's why firstly write second number. Many students write confused, always mistake this type of a question in subtraction. बच्चों जब भी आप सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं फ्रॉम यदि आता है तो सबसे पहले इट इज योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी यू विल राइट सेकेंड टर्म. आप क्या करोगे बच्चों की सबसे पहले सेकेंड नंबर राइट करो. बहुत सारे बच्चे इतने समझाने पर भी ये पॉइंट बहुत गलती कर रहे हैं. तो बच्चों आप लोग क्या करिए कि सबसे पहले सेकेंड नंबर लिखिएगा. क्लियर? यू कैन सी हियर फर्स्टली राइट सेकेंड नंबर minus 5a square b. क्लियर? इन प्लेस ऑफ फ्रॉम की जगह पे हम क्या लिखते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? माइनस. फ्रॉम की जगह क्या लिखते हैं? माइनस, और फिर फर्स्ट नंबर लिखते हैं. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? सपोज हियर एनी माइनस प्रेजेंट. बच्चों यहाँ पे अगर कोई भी माइनस नंबर होता है तो हम उसको क्या करते हैं? ऐसे ब्रैकेट बना के राइट करते हैं. क्लियर बच्चों? बट हमारा यहाँ पे माइनस नहीं दिया है तो हम यहाँ पे माइनस नहीं लगाएंगे. क्लियर? माइनस माइनस ऑलवेज प्लस. 5 प्लस 3 8, और वेरिएबल हम सेम राइट करते हैं. वेरिएबल में बहुत बच्चे ऐसे नहीं करिए आप लोग. a पावर 2 a पावर 2, तो 2 प्लस 2 4 नहीं करिएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि हम लोग क्या करते हैं? वेरिएबल सेम है, वेरिएबल राइट करते हैं. क्लियर? एंड सेकेंड नंबर क्वेश्चन इज from this number from this number. Clear? So firstly you will write this number. Look at here, p minus 2q minus 5 power minus 8 minus, create bracket and write this number. Clear? Minus 6p plus q plus 3r plus 8. Clear बच्चों? p minus 2q minus 5r minus 8 ब्रैकेट के बाहर अगर बच्चों माइनस होता है तो हम लोग अंदर के सारे सिंबल चेंज कर देते हैं। माइनस कन्वर्ट इनटू प्लस, 6p माइनस क्यू माइनस 3r, और ये प्लस है तो माइनस हो जाएगा। क्लियर बच्चों? p and p, 1p 6p, that means 7p. clear? And here minus 2 and here minus 1, that means minus 3q. Minus 5, here minus 3, that means minus 8r. Minus 8 and minus 8, that means minus 16. This is our answer. Clear बच्चों? And question number 6. The two adjacent sides of the rectangle are 5x square minus 3y square and x square plus 2xy. Find the perimeter. Firstly, you will write, students, perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 length plus breadth. Clear बच्चों? You will write here 2 and length this number 5x square minus 3y square plus, and write this number x square plus 2xy. You will write here 2, 5x square, here 1x square, that means 6x square minus 3y square, and here no y square. You will write minus 3 and this term 2xy. क्लियर बच्चों? क्योंकि y स्क्वायर और कहीं नहीं था, 2xy कहीं और नहीं था, तो हमने सेम राइट कर दिया और इस 2 का अंदर मल्टीप्लाई आप कर दीजिए। 12x स्क्वायर माइनस 6y स्क्वायर प्लस 2 to the 4xy. This is the perimeter of rectangle. Clear student? Thank you बच्चों।